Hey guys! Okay, so today we're gonna do things a bit different. We're gonna address something. I know a lot of you have been writing to me personally, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, or when you see me face to face, asking me how on earth I pull all of this off, especially with all this traveling as an artist, right? And I think a lot of you still think that I'm one of those crazy rich Asians. See, the thing is, if I had old world money, I would have started doing art a long time ago. So I'll be telling everyone how I just work really hard and I push out all the marketing information that I need to, so people know where I am at that point to make a sale happen. But then again, you know, some of you guys are doing the calculations in your head and you go, no, that's not possible. It's still not possible. How do you do that, Alvin? So I figured I'm gonna make a video about it, and this is the video. Anyone else who's asking this very question, how I managed to pull all of this off, I'm gonna give the URL to this video to you so that you can watch it. So I'm gonna explain to you how it's done. So yes, I don't believe I'm gonna do this, but I guess I have to for all of you who are insistent. Alright guys, so here it is, really simple. So this is it. I just have to remember each time when I travel or whether I'm back home, if I'm running low on cash, all I have to do is just fold the bill in half, fold it in another half, right? And then just so that's how I make it happen. So now that you know the secret, please don't tell anyone. So guys, thanks for watching until the very last bit of the video. This is where I'm gonna show you how I do it when I have to travel from country to country. So the same thing, I have €5 note, and all I have to do is fold it in half, and one more time, and then bam, let the magic happen. Open it, and there you have it, a £5 note. And then the trick is to actually get this to a higher denomination. So that's that, folks. Until the next video, ciao guys.